Hello, welcome. This is Linda, and on today's Taste the World Cup series, we are going to Brazil. And Brazil has won most of the World Cup, and they have some delicious and easy recipes too. So today we're going to make Brazilian chocolate truffles, which is called Brigadeiro. And these are very easy to make, but delicious. So come along and let's make it. So this Brigadeiro uses very simple ingredients. We're using sweetened condensed milk, cocoa powder, and butter. And in this bowl, I have the butter and the condensed milk already in here. And we're going to use low to medium heat. Then in it, I'm going to add the cocoa powder and a pinch of salt just to balance the sweetness out. Then I'm going to stir all this together and cook it for about 10 minutes until it has thickened, and you can see under the pot. Our Brigadeiro has been defrayed and firmed up, but it is still sticky. So with that, I'm going to add a little bit of oil, which is going to help me, and I have a little bit on the scoop as well. And that's going to help with the rolling. I'm going to do chocolate sprinkles. And I have these small cups here just to serve them in. So this is our Brigadeiro, and I'm going to give it a taste. Let me pick one. Really delicious. Soft. Very, very delicious. Simple to make. The only thing is that you have to really put it in the refrigerator for it to firm up for easy rolling. And also, if you're using your plain hand, use a little bit of oil to help it mold it. The other tip is if you want, you can increase the powder. You add 1 more tablespoon to make it a bit firmer. But this is a delicious recipe, and I hope you give it a try. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next series. And if you have any recommendation on the next country to visit and taste their dishes, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.